This dish is inspired by my mom, as she used to make this when I was kid and which made me happy and smile. So is the name for this dish as well today.
Yep, English project work. What was it? Yeah, recipe writing. No writing. It was clicking recipe writing. So today we are going to. No, I'm going to do is going to make some smileys. I'm sure I'm going to put some background story about it. I know. I'm not going to tell it by personal. I'm going to put some pictures. Probably, most probably. Yep. But this is not the right place. We're gonna do it in the kitchen.
These are the materials required to make the dish.
So yeah, we are in kitchen right now. As I previously told, we're going to make some smileys. So for the first step, we're going to wash some potatoes. It's our hygiene.
So first what we are going to do is going to wash some potatoes, and then after that we're going to put them in the pressure cooker with some water, and then after the heating process we are going to peel it off one by one with our hands washed. Yep, that's pretty much it. After the mashed potatoes, we're going to add some flour, salt, pepper, etc. as I mentioned earlier in the recipe as well. After mixing all the products, smash it with your hands very gently and carefully until it turns into a mold. After that, we are going to create a small balls of that mashed potatoes. Gently press the mashed potatoes until it looks kind of like a face, oval shape. After that, we can create the shape by using straw and the spoon to create a face-like texture. After that, we're going to add a gentle amount of oil to fry our smileys. After that, we are going to gently put the smileys into the pan and take it out until it's brownish in color.
So I got this plate. This is actually nice here. So I'm going to put these smileys into the plating. Yep. And these are going to be for my mom. Surprise! Yep. I'm going to add ketchup over the top. Yeah. Just need quantity. Yep. My mom doesn't like too much ketchup. So yeah. So yeah, now let's go surprise my mom with it. Mommy, 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 के गर्दै एकछिन एउटा चिज छ है एकछिन यहीँ बस्यो कहीँ नआइस नि यही मुभी हेरेर बरु बस्यो के छैन म आइहाल्छु सरप्राइज ये हले मलाई बनाइसिन् त पहिला स्माइलिज स्माइली एकचोटि टेस्ट गरेर भन्छ न टेस्ट गरेर भन्छ न टेस्ट गरेर भन्छ न
आँखा पनि छ
एकदिन खाएर हेर्नु न कस्तो
मिठो छ
मम्मी अप्रुभड ये
खतरा बनाउने भइसकेछ